This particular video I'll be talking about the eraser tool. I'll come here, click on what I want to make erase. I'll click on what I want to erase, then just come to eraser. So now automatically this is, so if I want to increase this is, you can see I've started erasing it. If I want to increase the size, alright, so if I want to make it blow, it is not as smooth as this one. You can see it's not as smooth. This one is smoother, this one is blower. So if let me reduce the size to for us to just see the effect. Let me just undo. So let me just reduce the size. So you can see it is kind of blow. It is blow. So if I now reduce, you can see it's smooth now. It is actually smooth. This one is blow. So let's just redo it. Now, peradventure, I want to erase something that is small, that is top. And if my hand touching it like this, I don't want my hand to touch it. I won't be able to clean it very well. So the next thing I'll just come, let me just redo. I'll increase this one at the base. You can see this one I'm reducing. So by default, when this one is like this, anywhere my hand touches, it raises straight. You can see it has raised. So once I draw this one here, I'll be able to my hand will just come to the screen, but it won't. So when I just put my hand here, look at my hand is here. Anywhere I put my hand, that's where the tool is appearing. But I'll just come here. Anywhere I put my hand on the screen, this tool will appear. But if I want to erase, I'll leave this tool. Even though the tool is up here, I'll come and click on this one. Okay, so I'll just come here, move it. I can just come and reduce the size. Maybe reduce the size. Probably I'll just come here. You can see maybe is this place I want to, this part of her hair I want to erase. That my hand touching it may just affect. Okay, so that is that for this one. So zoom, I've clicked on the zoom. I can't do anything on. If I want to do anything, I have to click on back on the zoom. Okay, so what this other part section, let's just undo this and zoom out. This other section that looks like dotted line. So the first thing, I can just come here and just the whole side I want. Then now this one, you can see this 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Look at it, 1, 2, 3. Right. So let me take this inside. Once I click on the number 1, you can see this part has gone. The part that is inside has gone. But once I come back here and click on this number 2, the other part has gone. Now let's still come back. Click on number 3. Click on number 3. You can see it has cancelled. Click on number 3. See, it has cancelled. Come here again. Click on number 3. That's actually cancelled. Means it has cancelled. Right. So why this one now? This one, which is like rectangle square. I click on it. You can see I adjust the square evenly. Alright, and the same thing happened there. If I click on this one, you can see just this part has gone. Let me undo it. Click on number 2. You can see only this part is remaining. So this other part, which is circle, click on number 1. You see this part is still remaining. Let me redo it and click on number 2. See, only the feet is remaining. So that's all for this part using the eraser tool. We see in the next video.